Great! Now let's play a game. See if you can say each letter, each sound, and each word before Scream Mouse can. To make the game more fun, we switched up the letters for just such an occasion. Ready, Karen?
You got it. Always happy to help.
What? That's the evilest thing I can imagine.
I had no idea letters were so much fun.
C. Cat. P. Pig. A. Apple. G. Gum. H. Hat. B. Bug. I. Igloo. T. Top. D. Dog. R. Rat. S. Sun. J. Jet. O. Octopus. W. Wagon. K. Kid. V. Van. M. Mug. L. Log. N. Nut. F. Fan. Y. Yak. E. Egg. X. At the end of the word box. U. Umbrella. Q. Followed by U. Quilt. Z. Zoo.
Great job, everybody! You got every single answer and question right. But let's not celebrate late, fellas. I got another surprise in store. And we're gonna have to get fancied up for it. Rasmin? Drizelda? This is Rasmin. She likes to bring a little Raz to special events. And this is her best friend, Drizelda, the haberdashing dresser.
This is not possible!
What's the harm in having a little fun while helping others? Now it's costume time! Thread by thread, stitching it together. Twilight stress, cutting with a pattern, snip by snip, making sure the fabric falls nicely into the collar and so hit. Wait until you see it in the light. I'm sewing them together. Whose dress is this? Take great pains. One more change. Got to overcome intimidation. Remember, it's all in the presentation. Piece by piece, snip by snip, hoop duck haunch, shoulders hip, thread by thread, trimmed and pressed, yard by yard, never stress, and that's the art of the dress.
Wow! Bling bling!
Well, we didn't get very far. Yeah, I'm sure I'll be able to work off all the loose skin in no time.
I'm the prettiest princess of them all.
Not yours, Red Hot. You can have this.
Yeah! Woo! Alright! I rock so hard.
I am aware, thank you. I love something. Something is my favorite.
Alright, guys, time to go see my surprise. And it's planned downstairs.
I'm so excited. What is it anyway?
And now it's time for Name That Letter. I'm your host, Eric. Are you ready to play? Good. Here's how it works. Susan will read a sentence. Listen to the sounds in the words, then see if you can name the letter that makes the sound you hear most before the clock runs out. Susan, let's read the first sentence.
Okay, ready? An alligator and an ant added apples.
Did you figure it out? The sound you heard most is made by the letter A. The answer is A.
Oh, now I get it! That's what the point of the game is. The clue is in the first letter that starts the sentences.
Ah.
Now we understand. Please continue, Susan.
Jolly jellyfish jump for joy.
The answer is J.
Cute, cuddly cats crunch cucumbers.
The answer is C.
Zany zebras zigzag at the zoo.
The answer is Z.
Nice nanny goats never noticed new neon necklaces.
The answer is N.
Darling dogs dance daintily in the daisies.
The answer is D.
Impolite insects ignore icky inchworms.
The answer is I.
Bouncing boys break beds before bedtime.
We'll be right back after a word from our sponsors.
Hot.
Okay, that's your word. Now, back to name that letter. Susan, next sentence, please.
Kind kangaroos kiss koalas.
The answer is K.
Eddie enjoys extra eggs every morning.
The answer is D.
Many monkeys make male men mad.
The answer is M.
2 turtles toppled 20 tulips.
The answer is T.
Funny Freddy fried 5 fish for food.
The answer is F.
Hungry horses hate having hiccups.
The answer is H.
Polly Porcupine pokes people.
The answer is P.
Volcanoes vibrate very vocal vultures.
The answer is V.
How did I get here? Why am I dancing?
Sweaty socks sometimes smell stinky.
The answer is S.
Your yellow yams are yummy.
The answer is Y.
Ollie Octopus often objects to olives.
The answer is O.
Grumpy gorillas grab gorgeous girls.
The answer is G.
Rough rats run rowdy races.
The answer is R.
Ugly umbrellas unexpectedly open up.
The answer is U.
Lovely lions leap over lazy leopards.
The answer is L.
Willie watches Wilma Walrus walk wonderfully.
The answer is W.
And now for the bonus round. These letters are a little harder to guess, but I know you can do it. Susan, the bonus sentences, please.
Quaint queens quietly quit quilting.
The answer is Q. But Susan, what makes the letter Q part of the bonus round?
Q is usually followed by the letter U. Together, Q and U make the sound clap. The fox will fix box 6.
The answer is X. But why is the letter X in the bonus round too?
X usually comes in the middle or at the end of a word.
If X starts a word, it makes a Z sound, like in the word xylophone.
Of course. And it also says its name in the beginning like a vowel, like in the word X-ray.
All right! That was fun. Remember, you can play again as many times as you like.
And I can't wait to help all the new students learn to read all by themselves.
That's all the time we have for now. Thanks for playing Name That Letter!
Some of our contestants will receive Rock and Learn Phonics, the best way to learn more about letters and the sounds they make. And Rock and Learn Math Tapes. Rock and Learn, real rock and rap music that teaches.
How did I get here? Why am I